So hi guys, to those who are asking kung anong camera yung gamit natin, I am actually using two cameras. One is the GoPro Hero 5 na mounted dito sa helmet natin, and the other one is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus na nandito sa attached dito sa side mirror ng motor natin. And both of them are connected dito sa ating GoPro Hero remote, kaya madali lang siyang isync during edit, kasi once I press the red circle button ay sabay silang nag-record, kaya madali lang siyang isync during post. And yeah, it's kinda old but still does the job naman, kasi they are capable of recording 1080p, and the GoPro Hero 5 Black is capable actually of 4K. But I am recording them both at 1080p kasi goods na din naman yung 1080, and yung Hero 5 Black is 1080p at 60 fps, while itong GoPro Hero 3 Plus ay 1080 pa din, pero nasa 48 fps lang siya. So kahit medyo luma na siya, Hero 3 Plus and Hero 3 5, latest ngayon ng GoPro ay nasa 13, but still okay naman, goods pa din naman yung kuha niya. What do you think about the sample shots? Ito yung kuha ng Hero 5 natin, at ito naman yung kuha ng Hero 3 Plus. So what do you think? And then for the audio naman, I'm using the audio galing dito sa GoPro Hero 5 Black na nasa helmet natin, kasi meron siyang nakalagay na mic adapter, and it's connected with a mic na nandito sa loob ng aking helmet. Kaya kahit tumatakbo tayo ngayon ay di naririnig yung hangin, kasi yung mic ay nasa loob ng helmet, kaya medyo malinaw pa din yung boses ko. So I think I think that's basically it. That is my motovlogging setup. Hope that is my motovlogging setup. Ito GoPro Hero 3 Plus and GoPro Hero 5 Black. So that's it. Thank you for watching and keep safe. Bye bye.